Paddle a sea kayak, the 12 best things to do in Juneau during an Alaska cruise. Whether or not you've had previous experience in a sea kayak, give it a shot on your next trip to Juneau. Board a bus at the cruise ship pier and ride across the bridge to North Douglas Island. On this particular tour option, you'll reach the boat ramp across from Mendenhall Glacier and Auke Bay in about 25 minutes. The kayaks are lined up on the shore, where the guides provide participants with a short lesson, help you don your gear, and assist you with boarding the kayaks. Two-person sea kayaks often have foot pedals in the rear seat that operate the rudder, making them easier to steer. Depending on your tour, you may spend several hours paddling around the bay, so having good upper body strength is important if you want to keep up with a kayaking group. You can expect to paddle against tidal currents and wind at least part of the time. Keep an eye out for harbor seals and eagles gliding overhead. After your tour, some outfitters treat guests to snacks like reindeer sausage, cheese, salmon spread, crackers, and water.